Fourth key property of water is that water is relatively slow to heat and cool. In the Okanagan, we're particularly aware of this because you get the first really hot sunny day and you go jump in the lake and it's still freezing cold because it hasn't warmed up as quickly as the land has. Or, conversely, October, it's starting to get cold outside, but you go jump in the lake and it's still nice and warm because it hasn't cooled as fast as the land has. Now, this is important because it acts as a good thermoregulator. Thermo meaning heat, regulator meaning to keep it the same or to control it. Now, not only is it a good thermoregulator for Earth, especially if you live by the coast, you know you don't tend to get those extreme cold or the extreme hot. It's also a good thermoregulator for our body. There's also another way that water acts as a good thermoregulator due to its fifth essential property, and that is water has a high heat of vaporization. So to go from liquid to gas requires a lot of energy. What this means is when we splash ourselves with water, or we sweat, large amounts of energy in the form of heat are readily transferred from our bodies to the water to cause it to evaporate. So once again, this means water acts as a good thermoregulator for our body. And finally, water sorry for the pause there, I had to correct something. Water is less dense when frozen compared to when liquid. In other words, ice floats. Now, as Canadians, this is really important because if ice didn't float, we wouldn't have pond hockey. But more importantly, from the point of view of life and evolution, if ice were to sink, it'd be very unlikely that life could evolve. So, as it is, it means bodies of water freeze from top down. Insulating the lower layers of water. And essentially protecting life and allowing for evolution. Because we believe that life evolved in water. And the thought is that if oceans and lakes were to freeze solid, every year it would kill off any life that was evolving and it wouldn't be able to progress. And those are the 6 key properties of water that depend upon its polar nature that allow for life on Earth. If you have any questions, you can come see me. Otherwise, I'll see you in class. Have a good day.